C. Germination.
Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. I'm Nelson, and I have a green thumb. I love gardening. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey of a seed's transformation into a new plant. This is a seed. It's tiny today, but soon it will grow into a big plant. Before we get started, I want you to take a closer look at the seed. It has a protective coat. This coat keeps it safe, just like a cozy blanket. The seed coat can be hard, as in this seed, or soft, like those tomato seeds. The seed coat protects the embryo. The embryo is the part that grows into a plant. It has the radicle, the young root, and the plumule, the young shoot. There's a special food reserve that surrounds the embryo or baby plant. It provides food just like a lunchbox filled with yummy nutrients to help the embryo grow. Now, I need a cozy bed for the seed to rest. Let me look around. There it is. I'll tuck it in, neither too deep nor too shallow, and cover it with a blanket of soil. It'll stay there, waiting for the right conditions. All it needs is some sunshine, water, and warmth to start the magical transformation. Here comes the sun. A little tap of sunshine is good enough to wake the seed up from its slumber, and a gentle sprinkle of water quenches its thirst. That must have been refreshing. Look how plump it has become. It's now ready to begin its growth journey. The seed will keep taking in the sunshine and absorbing water through the tiny pores in its seed coat. It'll grow bigger and bigger until its coat splits apart. Now air can get in. The oxygen in the air helps the baby plant burn the food packed inside. This burning of food produces energy. The baby plant uses the energy to grow. The first parts of the seed to come through the seed coat are the cotyledon and the radicle. The cotyledon is the inner protective layer of the seed. It stores food for the seed to use during the germination process. The radicle is the first root of the plant. The root takes hold of the soil and starts to absorb food from it. Since the root is small, the cotyledon continues to serve as the primary source of food for the embryo. The next part of the seed that appears is the stem, or hypocotyl, which continues to grow upward, pushing the epicotyl, or the first leaves. When the epicotyl emerges, the cotyledon, which looks thin like dried brownish-white skin, has finished its job and falls off the plant. Once the cotyledon is gone, the plant's tiny leaves photosynthesize and take over the job of supplying food to the new plant. This is the process called germination. The primary root grows longer and thicker, along with the secondary roots. The leaves grow larger. Finally, more and more leaves appear, and the stem becomes thicker and stronger. That's the journey of a seed transforming into a plant. Next time you see a seed, give it a bed to rest and a little tap of sunshine. Sprinkle some water and wait for the magic to happen. Visit tutoringhour.com for worksheets to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Smash the like and subscribe buttons right now to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.